Artificial intelligence is no longer a thing of the future. It is here, shaping our present. It promises progress, but also poses a great challenge. Will it uplift humanity or push us into dependency? Today, AI creates, analyses, and even thinks in ways once considered impossible. But if we hand over too much control, will we still be the masters of our own destiny? We stand at a crossroad. One path leads to a world where AI serves humanity, empowering us to achieve greatness. The other path leads to a future where machines dictate our lives, replacing human intuition, creativity, and decision-making. The question remains, who truly controls AI, and more importantly, for what purpose? The future is not written yet, it is in our hands. For now.
The rise of artificial intelligence was meant to improve human life, but what if it's leading us towards destruction? It all began with simple algorithms and machine learning, but today AI has evolved into something far more powerful and dangerous.
We are on the cusp of a new era, an era where machines can think, learn, and create.
Machines are no longer just tools. They are becoming intelligent beings.
The rate at which AI is learning now, it's exponential. We're talking about machines surpassing human intelligence within the decade.
Millions of jobs are disappearing as AI takes over industries. Is your job next?
I worked at that plant for 20 years. 20 years. Now I'm out on the street. They said it would create new jobs. Where are they? I can't feed my family on promises.
Today at school, our teacher talked about artificial intelligence. He said, AI is changing the world and might replace many jobs. Isn't that amazing?
My dear boy, AI is not as new as people think. It has existed for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians used mechanical systems to create automated doors and water clocks.
Thousands of years? I thought AI was created just a few decades ago. How could ancient civilizations have AI?
The Greeks designed automata, self-operating machines. The idea of creating intelligent machines has fascinated humans for centuries. What we have today is just scratching the surface.
AI is helping us. It drives cars, translates languages, and even writes stories. Isn't that a good thing?
AI is useful, but it comes with risks. It has already replaced millions of jobs. The more we rely on it, the less control we have over our own future.
AI makes work easier, right? If machines do the boring tasks, people can do more creative work. Isn't that good for society?
That is the dream, but reality is different. AI is not just replacing boring jobs, it's replacing skilled workers too. The more advanced it becomes, the fewer jobs will be left for humans.
At least AI can't control our thoughts, right? We still make our own choices. It's just a tool, like a calculator or a car.
Boy, it already does. AI controls what you see on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. It studies your behavior and manipulates your emotions.
AI decides what I watch, but I choose my own videos. How can it influence me?
AI learns your habits and shows you content that keeps you engaged. It influences what you believe, what you buy, and even who you vote for. Many people don't realize they're being manipulated.
So, AI is like an invisible puppet master? That sounds scary. What's the worst that could happen?
AI can create deepfakes, videos of people saying things they never said. It can write fake news, spreading lies faster than we can stop them. Soon, it might even replace human creativity.
AI can't replace human imagination, right? People will always create art, music, and stories. AI just helps with ideas.
AI is already writing books, composing music, and painting artwork. Some AI creations are so realistic that people can't tell the difference. If AI does everything, what will be left for humans?
What about AI in war? Can it make battles safer by replacing soldiers? That sounds like a good use of technology.
AI-powered weapons can make wars even deadlier. Autonomous drones can decide who to attack without human control. The more power we give AI, the harder it will be to stop.
What can we do? Can AI be stopped? Or is it too late?
AI cannot be stopped, but it must be controlled. Just like fire, it can warm us or burn us. The choice is ours.
Then I'll make sure AI is used for good. I want to learn how it works and keep it safe for people. That's the right thing to do, right?
That's the spirit, my boy. Always question what AI tells you. Think for yourself. Stay human. One day, you might have to decide, will AI serve humanity, or will humanity serve AI? The future is in your hands.